Thank you. Okay, today's, of course, it's not also solo recital, but we still have some audience, right? And where's audience? Over there. Yeah, you are playing for this air conditioner. No, well, you know, please don't laugh, because if some of you go, for example, for training of actors, you know what was the first test for the actors? Do you know? Who wants to take this test? Okay, you will do it. Please put your face down. And sit down, please. Yes. So, you may take it once again. So, you see, this is the simple thing that all of you are sitting now and feel comfortable. But if you have to sit in front of audience, you don't know what to do. And no, it's very important thing because all of you are going to play on stage, right? So that's why. Okay, thank you. So all of you are going to play on stage. So it's very important to have a right feeling when you come on stage. And believe me, everyone can be in this situation and really feel it. When you come on stage, we forget how to speak, we forget how to walk, we forget simple things, how to do them. And of course, we will have to do something like playing double bass. Ooh, the panic is so, in a way, we forget even the elementary things that we have to look at the audience. It's very easy, it's very simple for everyone. So it's normal, but that's why every musician has kind of a list what it has to do, musician has to do when it comes on stage, yeah? And I cannot say what it must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 for everyone, because it's very much personal, it's very much individual. Some musicians, they like to prepare to sit somewhere in the privacy just to think of music. Somebody opposite, they prefer to go out to talk with colleagues, and it's very much different from everyone. For everyone, there's a different way how to prepare for the being on stage, how to perform. So that's why you have to understand it, even from now, from starting here in school, that what you need to do before coming on stage to feel comfortable, right? If you need to just sit and, I don't know, sleep, do that. If you need opposite to go somewhere, just do that. So, and when you come on stage, of course, the first thing it's, yeah, also is, you may laugh, but that's what I start my classes with my students, what they have to do when they come on stage. Because some of them, they forgot, they will come on stage, they forget just to do that. But so this is the way how you say audience, good afternoon, good evening, I don't know, whatever, when the time when they're playing. So then after that you may adjust your music stands, to adjust your double bass, you know, to play rosing, whatever you like. But first thing, when you come to somebody's house, what you're doing? You say good evening, right? So the same when you're a musician, when you come on stage, the first thing you come on stage, you say audience, good evening. The last thing you're doing, you say thank you for listening. Yeah. So this is two things you always have to do. But yeah, don't forget where the audience is and to play for them. Okay. What do you think? What is this music about? Imagine that you are a movie director and you have to take a movie, but not just whatever you like. You have this soundtrack, and this is your job, to make the film for this soundtrack. What kind of movies could be? Something really funny, the people going to the beach or playing volleyball? Or no? Well, this is the first question you should ask when you open the score and want to play some piece. Or okay, you don't want, you have to play some piece, right? Because you know, the professional musicians also, we sometimes have to play the music we maybe don't like, but we have to. We just got the score, okay, you must play this music. At first I have to understand what is this music about. Can you play just the first phrase? Okay, is it funny music? No. Yes, it's something really sad, yeah? So that's why when you're sad, how you talk about it? You're not rushing, right? And you're really telling this some sad story that, oh, yesterday, you know, there was some chocolate, but I didn't get it. Can you tell me the story that you didn't get the chocolate last time? You did, you got chocolate, right? Okay, something what you are not happy with. Can you play me just first phrase? I should feel really sad and unhappy to say, I'm so sorry. Okay, really good. Just don't forget, this is also part of the music. Upbeat, yeah? Just can you play really nice upbeat? I'm sorry, why are you playing it so short? Then the concept, and here, this is my story. Can you try once again? Connect that beat to the downbeat. Thank you. That relax your right arm. Do you remember, yeah? One of your colleagues here walking and doing the same with your arm. Yeah, with his arm. So you have to do the same. Hold the ball. Yes. This is the moment you need to play for the double. There's nothing else. No, relax it, relax it. Yes. You see, your hand now is perfect and relaxed, right? Not here, okay? Try once again, please. Just the beginning. Thank you. Okay, look. It's very nice with the wrist like that. But do you hold the hand like that? No. This is the normal way. Don't do anything artificial. We don't need any things which, yeah, it's perfect. We're playing just first 4 notes, okay? So, no, just first 4 bars. First 4 notes. We're playing only the first bar. What we are doing? We play the first note a little bit more deep and a little bit faster bow for that, yeah? So it's faster, slowly, and just returning. Good. Now the second bar. And go to C natural. Yeah. Can you do the second bar? Can you play D natural only? No, with the second finger. D here. D is. No, D on G string, right? Good. And the finger is like that. Yes, good. for the fingers to be like that. Listen, which sound is better? Oh. It's different, right? But this one is much more clear. Yes, because fingers much more stronger. I mean, believe me, I don't do any. You may try yourself if you don't believe me that I'm doing it weak and here I'm really doing something strong. No, I do the same with my finger. But if I do like that, we have finger much more stronger to stop the string. So that's why the teacher always asks you to keep fingers curved. Yeah, if you do that, can you play the natural, please? Yeah, and now play C natural. Yeah, it's there. So sorry, you cannot just do it in one position here. And shift to C natural. No, it's still too sharp. Yeah. We're playing only two notes. D natural, please. And shift back to C natural. Good. And now re, mi, re, do, re. Yeah, good. Try just the first phrase. Okay, thank you. And if you have to put some accent in these two bars, which note you will put this accent on? Which note you believe the most important? First, second, third, fourth. Any ideas? No, it's very simple. My borrow the bass, my borrow the bow. Okay, I will do accent on the first note. Now I'm doing on the second. Third note. Fourth note. Fifth note. Sixth note. And so which phrase in your opinion sounds the most natural way? The last one. Like that? No, I don't think so. Well, even if you don't know actually which note to choose it somewhere closer to the end. Now I'm do stress at the beginning of every second bar. And then you have nice shape for every phrase. So can you try to do that? Yeah, can you start from the beginning? Crescendo. Go to the second part. Go on. Okay. And tell me please, why are you playing this note so short? Yeah. Da, 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 da. Why do you want to play them short? Everything needs some logic, yeah? If you think this, okay, it's a sad song and and as the tears start dropping, then your tears should be a little bit shorter. If you don't think of tears, they should be short. Okay? Choose any version, but I want to hear the reason for this note to be long or short. Can you try once again at the very beginning, please? Okay, good. We go on for the next part. Da-dum, bum, 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 bum. Okay, we do it once again. Well, at first, here it was two piano. Here's mezzo forte, so you definitely need much more sound. Yeah, so much more longer bow. Can you start it? Full bow, please. Good. And no diminuendo on this for no. So mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. You have to go to C natural. Once again, please, the same. And always full bow. Full bow. Go on. Everything's the same, also full bow. Okay? Fa, mi, mi. Okay, go on. Thank you. Well, the composer put two dynamics. There's the same phrase. It's repeated, right? So, but first time you have dynamic piano, second time subito piano. Of course, it looks very nice, but all musicians, you understand that it's really difficult to do this great, so it will be heard very well. So don't think of piano like really soft, then how you will play two piano. So think of it a little bit louder than piano, like mezzo forte, and then you may play really pianissimo. Can you do it a little bit louder, please? Da-ram, pam, pam. No, the same thing. If you need a good sound, your hand is relaxed and you do it. Here, can you do it, please? And now softer. Don't forget you have to count the beat. Don't count. Wait. Because if you start counting the beats, well, maybe it's the wrong thing. But you see, when the musicians start counting the beats and nothing happens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. They start accelerating. So anyway, they will get it wrong. Yeah, can you please play it for her? This two bars. Listen what happened in piano. Yeah, it's yes, but when you count, when you listen accompaniment, or you're not counting the beats, but just imagine accompaniment. Boom, sa, boom, sam, boom, pum, boom. You will never get early or late. Okay, can you do this middle part? Okay, thank you. At the beginning there was a really sad song. Here's also a sad song. What happened here? Yeah, but the song is the same. So which means here you were telling about some sad stories, what happened before, and you're not happy with it. But this is you're telling the things you're happy with, right? So much more sostenuto sound, and you should be happy when you play it. Can you play it, please? I don't feel that you're really happy because sound is a little bit interrupted like that. Yeah, try to play every note with really sustained and good sound. Good. Can you try once again, please? Relax your hand. Yeah. 8 notes like they have this sound instead of 90 degrees and the same spot on the string, not like that. Can you play mi fa, mi fa? Yes, so can you do it from here, please? And bow. Yeah, control the bow. Yes, thank you. Thank you. So you see, this piece is just some story. The story, it doesn't matter which story you're thinking of, but you need to think of some story. Well, that's something bad, that's something sad. Yeah, but it was also so good thing yesterday, and then again we return to the same. So in general, the day was not good. Yeah, and that's why we return back to here. So if you have this story, it doesn't matter. Nobody in the audience, they don't need to know exactly what happened with you, but they will feel, oh, yesterday she was unhappy, but there was something good, but in general, day wasn't good for her. If they got this message from you, they will feel also that, you know, that they have some connection with you and they will appreciate your performance. If you don't think what you are playing, what is the song about, they also don't know. So, hey, what for? Was it about? It's just notes. So, the first thing when you open the score, start. Of course, if you don't play it, you don't know. Yeah, you've never heard this music, but you start playing and immediately think, this is the easiest way. Oh, which movie I can put this soundtrack to, and then you can easily imagine what is the picture, and then when you start to playing it like soundtrack, you can easily to understand what you have to do with the music, with the phrasing. For the right hand, this is the most important thing for you. It's just remember, you need to relax it. Also, you can start the same thing what I recommended that one of the students. Yes, so just you're doing with the circle, landing with the bow, and then sustain the note. If you do it at least 15 minutes a day, I'm sure you will improve your sound very soon. Okay? Any questions? Thank you.